Hi, this is Anti with Compass. I'm here in Manteca touring brand new home with my client. This is what the model home look like inside. The purpose is for you to fall in love. Hardwood flooring or laminated wood flooring, reset lighting, beautiful granite kitchen or with the upgraded appliances, landscaping in the backyard. What you see here are upgrades. Many builders don't even give you a landscape thing in the backyard. They are bearing land. So make sure when you come and see these model homes, they're gorgeous. That's what they're there for you to fall in love. Make sure you factor in some of the additional costs for the upgrades, and it can run from $10,000 to $50,000 extra. So a home like this, they're averaging from $400,000 to $450,000, depends on what kind of upgrades you have in the home. And as you can see, prices around here, particularly in Manteca, as an example, are much more affordable. For the home like this in Silicon Valley, San Jose area, or Santa Clara, you'd be looking at $1 million and $1.3 million for the same size like this. So that can give you some idea of the price variation. And the commute from here, Manteca, to San Jose area, for an example, is about an hour 15 minutes away from the high-tech companies. So if you are interested and want to find out more about this type of home, please give me a call, 408-561-7539. Thank you.